So what's up guys, ito yung bagong auxiliary light na kinabit ko sa aking Honda Winner X150 Zenlo X1 GT with Zenlo wiring harness and module with passing light at 7 modes light. At ito yung sample video guys. Stock low light, stock high, MDL low, MDL high, combination light, low blinker and low wigwag, high blinker and high wigwag. So ito naman yung passing light guys, sabay sa loud horn ko. Sobrang sulit at sobrang lakas ng ilaw na to guys. Ang sarap nito gamitin lalo na sa night ride. Zenlo X1 GT.